you lose a lot in the beginning, right? Well, you're going to make some, but then you end up losing. You're losing that, and then you lose much more. So I'm like, okay, in the beginning, if everyone's focused on making the most, but they're not focused on losing less, then it's probably not going to work, you know? So there's maybe some sort of a gap in the education forex industry, right? Education only. So I'm like, okay, let me take this angle that, okay, let's focus on you losing less. Let's first lose less, you know, because let's say you get hurt. You get hurt, let's say you start bleeding. What do the paramedics do if you're bleeding? They stop the bleeding.
Correct.
They're going to make sure, let's stop the bleeding, let's stop it, and then let's see what we can do more, right? So if you're trading, you're bleeding money, you're losing. Instead of focusing on how to make more, let's start to focus on how to lose less. Because if you can lose less, then you can worry about making money, right? So that's why for me, it was very important to kind of like see, how can I actively lose less every single day?
Yeah.
Like this morning, I took a trade on gold. It was a buy on gold. My risk was about $9,400, and I lost about $6,600 because I managed my risk. I lost less. Even when I lose less, that's a win for me, because then I have risk left over to use it later on. You know, so traders should really focus on make sure how can they lose less, rather than, oh, I want to make 10K, 5K. That's going to come. First, let's get mature, right? And can we really lose less in a month?